Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. So to deactivate your Facebook account, first of all you will open the Facebook app. After you open the Facebook app, on the top right corner you have to click on the three-line menu button. After click on it, on the top you will see a settings icon just beside the search icon. You have to click on setting icon. Then here you will see an option called account center at the top. You have to click on see more in account center option. Then afterward you will see an option called personal details. You have to click on it. Then you have to click on account ownership and control. Then here you will see an option, the second option, deactivation or deletion. You have to click on it. After that you have to select the desired ID that you want to deactivate. So I will select this one. Then at the top you will see option deactivate account. You have to select this and continue, and afterwards you have to just type the password and you will be able to deactivate your account easily. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.